Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. How can you make AI read text for you with super realistic voices on Mac? Let's do this with Edimakor. It offers various voices, supports multiple languages, has a quick and easy process, and can convert text within videos to speech. First, if you only need to convert plain text to speech, click on Text to Speech, then copy and paste the text you prepared. Select the language and pick one of the many AI voices. You can preview the voices until you find the perfect one.
Edimakor is a popular video.
Edimakor.
Click Generate and done. Your AI voiceover is ready. Click Open Folder to find your audio file.
Women in space exploration break barriers, pushing the frontiers of science and technology.
The Add to Timeline option will open the video editing interface. Now, let's move on to the second situation, converting text to speech directly from your video. Start with Create a Video, import your video. In the text section, choose a style and type the words. Then, click on the Text to Speech button. Just like before, select the language and pick an AI voice. The converted audio will automatically appear on the timeline. Finally, export the video with the new AI-generated audio. What if you want to change the speech in your video to another voice? You can easily do that by combining the speech to text and text to speech features. First, use STT to convert the existing audio into text. Then, go to Text to Speech, select a new voice and language, and generate a fresh voiceover. Mute the original voice and done.
Women in space exploration break barriers, pushing the frontiers of science and technology. Their innovations and leadership drive humanity's quest to understand the universe. Through perseverance and passion, they inspire future generations to reach for the stars.
That's how you make text-to-speech videos on Mac using Edimakor. It's also available on Windows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.